BMW is testing the all-new 7 Series, which will be introduced next year. Other than the standard model variants, German manufacturer will also introduce the BMW i7, a purely electrically powered luxury sedan, which you see here. Of course, still under the camel wrap. It is in the final phase of testing, with the car undergoing a demanding test program in extreme road and weather conditions. Here you can see it testing in cold weather conditions, and of course all this testing is done to ensure that this purely electrically powered luxury sedan delivers a perfectly harmonized and exclusive driving experience in any situation. We will know more about this car in the upcoming months, as the world premiere is scheduled for 2022, so stay tuned for more and tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on the upcoming BMW 7 Series.